They say, oh my God, what's happening to this world? Lots of panic, crazy, all these empty shelves. You know it stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see some TP one more time. Ooh, I want you, want you, want you in the shops. And I hate this virus. Ooh, it makes me wanna cry. Now I beg to see some bog roll one more time. So I say, toilet paper, toilet paper, toilet paper, oh oh. I've never seen people act this crazy way before. They say, sanitize, 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 eh, eh. But I go looking for it every night and day. They say, oh my God, what's happening to our town? Social isolation happening all around. No more hugging, high fives, kissing, holding hands. 1.5 meters, our new surviving plan. Ooh, I want to play my sports. And I hate this virus. Ooh, it makes me wanna cry. And now I beg to play my sports just one more time. So we say, toilet paper, toilet paper, toilet paper, oh oh. I've never seen people act this crazy way before. They say, sanitize, 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 eh, eh. But I go looking for it every night and day. They say, isolate, 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 oh oh, oh oh, oh oh. I haven't seen my friends or family anymore. They say, quarantine, 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 eh, eh. Don't spread those germs by touching any of your face. Wow, wow, oh. Teachers say, one less every day. We try to keep our students all out of the way. They used to be 27, 27, 27 all the time. Now we're down to a quick shrinking group of 5. We say, please stop, please stop, please stop, oh oh, oh oh, oh oh. We can't cope without our bug roll anymore. We say, please stay, please stay, please stay indoors, so we can get our bug roll back into our stores, all our stores.